I know it's dark, but look, I'm about to test this bad boy out. Somebody put a padlock on my garage door, so I'm about to see if this will cut it off. I just realized that this was a kit and I didn't buy the tool only. So this thing came with a 4.0 battery, charger, bag, the dust shoe, the diamond towel blade, the carbide blade, and the metal cutoff wheel. Let's go. I'm not going to be able to unbox this thing with one hand. And unfortunately, I don't have my tripod, so hold on. So it slid right out of the box just like this. Let's just take it to the garage. Alright, so here's the bag. I've opened it up. So inside you have a bunch of manuals. You have your different cutting wheels. I'm going to use the metal cutoff tool, which seems appropriate because we're cutting off a padlock, which is made of metal. And this little charger here, which is going to probably go on Facebook Marketplace. Your battery, the dust shroud, which I already showed you. And here's a little tool. Alright, so to put on the disc, what you do is you hold down this lock button here and you turn to the right. With this is righty tighty, it's usually righty tighty, lefty loosey, but this is righty loosey, lefty tighty. Now I already loosened it up so it was super loose, but you turn that to the right to get it out. You take this off and there's another piece here that you can adjust depending on how thick or thin your disc is. So I can just keep this same disc on here, put this on there. It's nice and flush. And then lefty tighty. Screw that down. Want to make sure you hold down the lock to make sure it's good and in place. See it locked, and now it's tight. Now we in business. All right, so we're gonna see if it will cut this padlock off. I'm feeling pretty confident about it, but it is kind of weird because it's just a little thin thing. Now the cool thing about this is it goes in both directions. So this is forward, switch it here, and now it's in reverse. And you can control where the sparks fly, okay? So I'm gonna just go forward, even though I know the sparks are gonna fly back on me. I can adjust this guard. I can adjust the guard, just move it so that way the sparks don't get me. And let's go. It's gonna be weird because I don't wanna, all right. That is sparky, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Go. Oh. Yeah.
Daddy, what are you doing?
God, I broke it with my hand. Ha ha ha. Hulk. All right. Perfectly. Look, it's not even any, like, not damage, but there is no wear at all on this disc. Love this tool. All right.